In this class we will learn about how to presentation and how to present ourselves as a live. Okay, so first of all we will go through the Play Store. Just click on the Play Store, click on that here only, then you just write it Google Slide. Google Slide. You just click on the Google Slides. Okay, it means I have already installed it, so it is already in my phone. You just click on the install button, then it will install in your phone. After that you just go to your Google Slide, click on the Google Slide button. This picture will come in your phone. Then after that you will click on the plus button. It is already given here. Choose the template. If you want to choose the designing template, you just click on the choose the template. Any template you can choose it here. For example, I am just making this one. It will automatically reflect like that only. Okay, you just got this design template. So first of all, for example, whenever you just click on a particular slide, it will ask. So you just click on the edit slide, and again you just click on this particular writing part. Then this box will come like that. Okay, you can just stretch it, it will increase. Then double click. Whenever you will do the double click, this keyboard will start. Then you can also change whatever you want to write it. Like I'm just writing the few things for you. For example, my channel name is Literature Group. Literature Group. Okay, so I have already written here. And another slide, if you want to change the next slide, click on the next slide. Whatever change you want, you can do it. Another thing you have to remember it, for example, I want to take the picture from my gallery. So you just click on the upside plus button. Here you can check it. Many options are here. Shape, image, text. Text, you can write the text for the particular slide, and image, you can just click on the image. If you want an image from the photos, you click on the from photos, or you can directly take from the cameras. So I'm just click on the photos. So for example, few images is already here only. I just click on the any image, I can take it. I will change it from here. Okay, for example, I want to take the image from this one. I want to add this image. So I have already choose this image, and we just fix it in the particular slide. It's up to you. Or you can add as a small one. Okay. So this is already came out from the anywhere. Now we will move on the next slide. We can also choose the, here I want to add some kind of shape. So I will take the shape from here and I will put it here. Okay, and we can also change the color. For example, I want to choose the this one color and the another color. It's up to you. It's up to you only. Okay, and another thing you can change it. Basic color is already given here. You can already change, yes, like that. Now move on the next part. You can also click this button. And you can also check the some kind of line, shape, flowchart, call out, anything, whatever you want, you can take it. You can just change it from here to there. Now I just want to change the color, I can change like that. Now we will move on the next slide. For example, I want to add some comments. So I will also add the comments. This slide is this is one. You can also add the some kind of comment here. Now move on the how we will show the live yourself. This is the main important part. So now move on the, I'm just going to the recorder. Okay, I'm just going to recorder, and this slide will present like that. Wait for the moment. Yes, got the slide. So you can as a landscape mode. Got it? Yes, good. Now I'm just going to give the how you will present yourself as a live. We will tell you in the next class. Thank you children. Have a nice